Hey, there goes my family without me. All right, we're close to the Valencia highway, and we're also close to the new bridge that they just repaired finally, because for like over a year and a half, I think, they were repairing both the shortcut bridges across Dumaguete at the same time, which caused crazy traffic downtown for anybody who needed to go south to north or north to south. Today we are at Phoebe Fashion Wear. Dial 143 Parasa TM promos, and we're in an Ukay-Ukay store. Ukay-Ukay basically means to sort through. Now what's interesting is there's a couple interesting things here. First up, a lot of this stuff is from Goodwill, either out of the United States, Canada, sometimes it comes from France, Great Britain. So these are a lot of the stuff is from thrift stores. They load them up into shipping crates and send them to the Philippines, and they sell the stuff for very little money. The average Filipino is not wealthy, so they got to try to save and scrimp where they can. Now the other important bit to keep in mind is, since this is from, a lot of this stuff is from the West, if you're a foreigner and you're a large foreigner and you need to find clothes, you can usually find large clothes down here. So if you're tall or you're tambok, you can usually find some clothes down here. You can see Chichay is going through, what are those? White t-shirts?
Yeah, I'm just checking the design.
Yeah, I bet you there's a lot of American addresses. There's Loyola, Community Blood Center of the Carolinas. This thing has seen better days. This is from the U.S. Southwestern Bell, this is from the U.S.
American Red Cross.
We're all in this together, American Red Cross. So again, this is just, and you can actually smell the clothes because it smells like Goodwill. Now, I'm not putting down Goodwill clothes because I'm a big fan of Goodwill, and you can see there's all these large shorts. So if you see need some shorts and you're a big foreigner, come down to Phoebe and get hooked up. We're looking for baby clothes for baby Zoe because she is growing at a prodigious rate and her clothes don't last very long. I mean, they last long, they just don't fit her very long. So what we're doing is we're saving all the old clothes. Hopefully we'll have another girl, but if it's a boy, he's not gonna care, he's not gonna know, he's gonna be a baby, he's gonna be a toddler.
He's gonna be a mermaid too.
Yeah, he's gonna be a mermaid. Another thing to keep in mind is, unlike a lot of the Chinese stores and stuff around here, even like Lee Plaza and stuff, when you see Adidas, you see Champion, Adidas, Nike and stuff, this is probably all real stuff. So it's quality stuff. It's gonna last a while. That's a Nike jacket down there. And why you want to wear a jacket in the Philippines is way beyond me. Let's go check out some other stuff. Duke Blue Devils. Skidoo. That might be from Canada. Las Vegas Strip. 98.9 Magic FM. Is that Boston? Wow, that is a handsome shirt right there. I could be rocking that. Made in China. Mackinac Grill, Waterfront Place, Mackinac. Chicago, the Windy City, established 1837. Thompson Family Reunion 2000, August 26th, Granite Quarry, North Carolina. I love the Carolinas, and I'm thinking maybe sometime in the future when we go back to the United States, we will settle in the Carolinas, because I really like the people, I like the climate, there's a lot to do. You got the Smoky Mountains, you got the beaches. I personally have no patience for Ukay-Ukay, and I usually wait till I go back to the United States to hit up Walmart and Target to get my clothes, which I will probably be not doing. Like when it comes to like cargo pants, and this is what I wear all the time. I wear cargo shorts, I should say. The problem with getting them at Walmart and Target is they only last about a year and a half, and then they start to fall apart. So I might try to get some higher quality, but still lightweight cargo pants when I go back to the United States. I haven't been back in 2.5 years, so I've been forced to bring my cargo shorts to local tailors, which is great in the Philippines because the tailors do fantastic work and it's dirt cheap. Here's something else you won't need in the Philippines. Levi's, jeans, denim. So hot, so sweaty. When it's as init and igang as it is here, Hollister. Matter of fact, I brought 2 pairs of jeans to the Philippines. I've never worn them. I think they disintegrated in my closet. Ooh, they got a tank top, extra large. All my tank tops are shredded and falling apart. I basically look like a vagabond when I go out. Bulldogs. See if you can, I gotta find a Boston, something Boston to represent. What'd you find, Haim?
Look nice.
Aww.
For Zoe.
Yeah. How much is that, 50 pesos?
No, 120.
120 pesos?
Mm.
They have, okay, so that's like $3, a little bit over $2. They got piles of like 50 peso stuff. Mom.
Yes.
Kabluka, where most of this comes from, what countries?
This veil is from Korea.
Korea.
Yeah.
So we got some good Korea. And there's good quality stuff coming out of Korea.
Different. There is Class A and there is Class B.
Class A and Class B, like everything in the Philippines. Did you get a lot of stuff from the United States?
I have. That stuff is from US.
Yeah. What other countries?
Japan.
Japan? Canada.
Australia.
Wow. So you buy it by the bundle. And you can actually see behind her over there the bundles that they buy. And are you allowed to open the bundle and examine it before you buy it?
No.
This is no
Ah.
return, no exchange, whatever you open.
Wow, no returns, no. So you gotta have a good dealer and trust your dealer. Trust the person.
After 10 years in the business,
Kung mag-walking
you
ka
have
ba?
much experience already, and you can. Sometimes you fail, but sometimes almost all the bundles, you know what is good or what is.
So,
bad.
so you've been doing this for 10 years?
Yes.
So family business?
Yeah. No. My only me and my husband. Not
You are the sole proprietor.
yeah.
You are the boss.
Me and my husband.
Well, you got quite a nice selection. I drove by here yesterday,
Yeah.
and my wife loves to get Ukay-Ukay. So I said, we gotta come back here,
Yeah.
check it out. Bring some business to the local establishments. Support your local economy. The mom and pop stores. You don't get any more mom and pop than this. Let's go check out the hat selection. The Samaritans. Ugh. All right, Alberta Premium Rye. This is probably from Canada. So when you come to Ukay-Ukay, it's an international experience. We got Korea here, we got Japan, we got Volvo, which is what, Sweden? Corona Extra. Shit, we got Pilsen, yo. Meganatic Metal, that looks like it's from France. España, Spain. Again, this is like, it's like the Olympics, man. Stuff from all over the world. And it's hot in here. Kansas City. And Kangol. There's an old Kangol. I used to rock the old Kangol caps, especially in the winter time. Keep my bald head nice and warm. Now, one of the challenges for Filipinas are the bras or the bathing suit tops that come over from overseas, because this is a 38 double D and there's not too many Filipinas that can fit a 38 double D.
your daddy?
She's also from Bacolod.
Oh, Longa.
Yeah.
I've been here for 10 years.
The city of smiles.
10 years na ko diri.
Ako 3 years pa lang.
What do you like better, Dumaguete or
I
Bacolod
like
City?
Dumaguete. I love Dumaguete.
Yeah.
It's
Mas
peaceful.
nauhay dire dito sa aton kay.
Yes.
This is where you have found your fabric fortune.
Yes. That's why I told you I've been 10 years in the business. I think about 10 years.
Man, that is a huge. I think it's a is this a bra or bathing suit top? It still has the price tag on it. It's $25. So this is from the US. So if you're a Filipina rocking a 38 double D, I got the bathing suit top for you. They also got sheets, pillowcases, all kinds of stuff. Zoe,
Butod, manghut
Ah,
kinagot.
that's why.
you see anything you like?
Kinagot kay pag masakit sa akon nga partner.
Alupi, lupi,
nakatuo siya
lu.
mapulit sa-
You want to come to Daddy?
Diri ka lagi star ha?
Come to daddy? Ha?
You want Daddy to carry you?
Ikaw kataway laman. Look at her. She's sweating so much.
Yeah, she is sweating. She sweats more than I do.
You look like a balut now.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.